Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. This is their April 2022 box, so if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Glossybox April 2022. So if you're new to the subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to the subscription box, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. As always, lovelies, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. So let's open this. So we have the card that you need to scan, and this month theme is the spring softness. So I just scanned the code, lovely. We have the sneak peek for next month, so if you don't want to see this product, so just skip this part. For next month's sneak peek, the theme is the perfectly imperfect. I love that one, and it will be like limited edition design box, and it says, our perfectly imperfect edit is coming to show you just how beautiful you are. We're changing into May with a positive mindset, unconditional self-love, and a passion for embracing life's beautiful imperfections. And with the 5 beauty buys inside this box, you can do exactly the same. To help you further love the skin you are in is our first sneak peek from Balance Me, and this is the BHA exfoliating concentrate. Aids you in removing dead skin cell and battling blemishes, and the result, your skin will be clear and you will be more confident than ever. So this is the sneak peek for next month. And also, lovelies, next month they will have a limited edition, the Gen G1 Generation G, and yes, it will be available from Friday 27th of May, and expect to find expertly selected products from brands such as Frank Body, Hawaiian Tropic, Incredible Cosmetics, and more. So yes, I can't wait to see what's inside in this one. And now it says from the editor, the cold wet weather is well and truly behind us, and we are so ready to open ourselves up to all the opportunities of spring, because not only will the world around us blossoming very soon, it's the perfect time to allow ourselves to do the same. So yes, and Emily, the beauty editor, so it's quite long, so let's skip it and let's start open this because I'm so excited. First product we have here, lovelies, is from Sun and Sky. This was a spoiler, the Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask, and this one is a deluxe sample size, I think. Yes, it's 10 grams. It has 10 grams. It's worth £8.30, and it says, bring back the bounce to your skin with this ultra nourishing hydration mask, packed with super potent antioxidant and the most stable form of vitamin C. This mask provides a megawatt glow in just 10 minutes. It's the first product, Sun and Sky, lovely. It has the sealed on. Sun and Sky, I'm not really fan of them, to be honest. It doesn't do anything to my skin, but yeah, so this is the first product. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Wild Science. This is the Leaf and Seed Smooth Start Bond Restruct Shampoo, Peptide Complex, and Marshmallow Extra. This one is a travel size. It has 50 ml, and this one you could receive this one here, or the Reroot Damage Rescue Shampoo, or the Head for Scalp Relief Shampoo. So yes, and this one is a whatever your hair type or needs, a shampoo from Wild Science Lab on hand to help. And this one we have a selection of hardworking hair care products on offer, but which one of 3 hair care heroes from the brand will you get? And this one is retail for £6. And then the next one we have, oh, I'm so excited for this one, from Mitchell and Peach English Growers, and this is the Flora No. 1 Body Souffle. Here we go, and let's smell. Oh, smells nice, lovely. It's like a subtle scent. Very, very nice scent. Floral, kind of florally, I guess. But yeah, it smells gorgeous. And it says this light and easily absorbed moisturizer contains vitamin E, shea butter, honey to nourish, soften, and protect your skin. Fragrance with pure lavender oil from the Mitchell 5th generation farm in Kent, as well as fine essences from around the world, including sweet violet, ilang ilang, and rose too. Your skin will have never smelled so sweet. Yeah, it's kind of florally scent, which is I prefer. And yes, and this one is retail for 20 pounds, and this is a full size. And then you will get also from Downtown, I think, the DWT and Paris, and this is the eyeshadow. Really gorgeous shade. It's like a rose gold. Yeah, in the shade rose gold. This is a full size, and it's retail for 18 pounds. Wow. And it says this golden shade of shadow is the ideal product to enhance your eyelids. Perfect for bringing a glow, glamorous touch to a casual look, or a sophisticated feel to your evening look. It's subtle for any and every occasion this spring. So yes, I really enjoyed the blush one that we got before. So yes, I really enjoy using this one. This is a blush, so I can't wait to try the eyeshadow. And this one is retail for 18 pounds. It's a full size. And then we have 6 products inside, lovelies. And this is from This Works, one of my favorite brand. And this is the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. It has 15 ml. So this is just a deluxe sample size. And this one, it's retail for 18 pounds and 50. Wow, this is very expensive. And it says, replenish skin that has dehydrated overnight with this morning skincare savior. This highly concentrated 2% hyaluronic acid serum will instantly hydrate and brighten tired looking skin, strengthening support and providing it with a long-lasting glow too. So yes, can't wait to try this one. I love this Works product. And the last product here, it's a chocolate. Wow. And this is an extra treat. This is triple chocolate chip beauty bites. Snack your way to glowing skin. It has collagen. Ooh, a bite with big beauty benefits. And it says, snack your way to glowing skin, healthy hair and nails with these beauty bites. Filled with 5 hair ingredients to support anti-aging and good health. Just one of these bites daily for 6 weeks can have incredible benefits. Plus, with multiple flavors available, this skin loving treat is super tasty too. So yes, can't wait to try this one. So yeah, that's all, lovelies, as you can see. So we have an extra treat one, which is a chocolate bites. Can't wait to try this one. Then a full size from Mitchell and Peach. The body souffle smell florally, smell gorgeous. And then a full size from DWT and Paris, the eyeshadow in the shade rose gold. Deluxe sample size from This Works, the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. Travel size from Wild Science, the Smooth Starborn Restruct Shampoo Leaf and Seed. And then a deluxe sample size from Sun and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. So yes, overall, lovely. It's really not bad box, to be honest. New products, new brands. There's a mix of products, hair care, mask, for body care, eyeshadow, and makeup. So yes, lovelies, for me this month it's a thumbs up. So if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, lovely, I have my refer code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you get this box for only 10 pounds. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box? What products did you receive? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.